This might be a red flag for some people. When I'm like super sick and I'm like sneezing in a row, right? I like to let out those like super strong and loud Asian sneezes. You know what I mean? Where you're just screaming, ah, shoo! I do it as loud as I can just to get it out of me, just to expel whatever demon is inside of me. You know what I mean? I still cover my mouth, don't get me wrong, because it's kind of gross if you don't. It kind of gets everywhere. So I grab a tissue because I'm just ready for the spray and just go, ah, shoo!